Many late-model Chrysler, Jeep, and Ram vehicles are equipped with an active noise-canceling ANC module. When adding aftermarket amplifiers in these vehicles, this factory ANC module must be bypassed for proper operation of the aftermarket audio equipment. The PAC ANC-CH01 bypass harness provides a plug-and-play solution for bypassing the ANC module in these vehicles, eliminating the need to cut factory wiring. Quickly and easily bypasses the ANC module, active noise cancelling. Keeps ANC module on data bus for vehicle diagnostics health. Factory fit plug-in connectors. Prevents cutting of factory wires. For 2017 to 2019 Chrysler Pacifica, all trim levels. Top reviews from the United States. Works and worth price. This product fits my 2019 Ram Bighorn 1500 crew cab. Need this to bypass ANC. You can even tap into speakers from this harness without messing with your factory wiring. Works well with the Pioneer GM8701 amp. I would buy this product again.